To troubleshoot voltage issues, firstly, check the breaker panel. Verify that the 200 amp main breaker is turned on. Inspect the individual breakers for each circuit. Ensure that all breakers related to the affected outlets are in the on position. Examine any empty spaces in the panel. These may indicate missing or disconnected circuits that could be affecting the voltage readings. Secondly, measure the voltage correctly. Use a multimeter set to the alternating current voltage setting. Place the probes of the multimeter across the terminals of a 120 volt receptacle. Record the reading and compare it to the expected 110 or 120 volts. Repeat the process for a 220 or 240 volt receptacle. Thirdly, check for open neutrals. If the voltage readings are significantly higher than expected, it may indicate an open neutral wire. Turn off the power at the panel and disconnect the problematic circuits. Use the multimeter to check continuity between the white, neutral wire and the ground wire. If there is no continuity, the neutral wire is likely open and needs to be repaired. Fourthly, inspect the wiring configuration. Examine the wiring inside the panel. Ensure that the wires are connected to the correct terminals. Verify that the circuits are wired in parallel, not in series. Series wiring can result in incorrect voltage distribution. Look for signs of loose connections, corrosion, or damaged wires. Consider phase issues. If the voltage readings are inconsistent between receptacles on different circuits, it is possible that there is a phase shift issue. This requires further investigation by a qualified electrician. Understand and balance loads. If equipment draws a significant amount of current, it can overload one phase of the service and cause voltage imbalances. Consider electrical interference. Certain types of equipment can generate electrical noise that can interfere with voltage readings. Try disconnecting nearby devices to rule out this possibility. As a safety precaution, always turn off the power before performing any electrical work. If you are not comfortable working with electrical systems, it is highly recommended to consult a qualified electrician to diagnose and resolve the issue safely.